You guys, it is raining and I am getting wet. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. Yes, you guys know where we're going. We are going into Dollar Tree. Let's head in, you guys. Oh, these are new, you guys, look. The flowers, they're normally $2.99. So pretty. They have gladiola bulbs. I don't sweat. I sparkle. Life is better in flip-flops. They have lots of flip-flops. And they still have all their tropical stuff out. Tropic Like It's Hot. This is a 2-pack set. Oh, these are so cute. Who is getting ready any day now, you guys? We are going to be seeing nothing but back to school stuff. I can't wait. Oh, the lemon dishes, the lemon plates. You guys have probably seen most of this stuff by now. These are kind of cute, the little see-through pails. They also have them in purple. Whoa, they have some nice big shovels for the beach. I'm out here in Minnesota, so no beach for me. It's probably going to be the pool and the river. We have some nice sandy spots on the river. I can pretend like I'm at the beach. But the beach is pretty far from us. Wow, they have lots of pool toys. Oh, look, you guys. The brand new Squishies. The Super Pretzel. And they smell so good. Ooh, look at this. Splash disc. This one is so cute. That would be really cute for the pool. These are new. Donut flavored, ice cream flavored, brownie cake pop, kiwi flavored, strawberry, watermelon. The antibacterial wet wipes. 40 antibacterial wipes. That would be perfect for, you know, going to the beach, going to a parade, going anywhere, just keeping them in your car. The e.l.f. Aqua Beauty. This is molten liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Look at that. That is so pretty. I love the glitter too. These are the nail art pens by Sassy and Chic. It's a 3-in-1 tool. You guys let me know in the comments if you've tried these. I have never tried these. Wow, they even have a neon orange. They have a bright purple. They have a red. These are really cute. These would be cute for birthday gifts or stocking stuffers. I think some of these eyelash curlers are new. I'm still using my eyelash curler Birdy got me from here, the one with the pink handles. I've been using it for 3 years and it's still going strong. I love it. They have the little kids' nails. I love this set, you guys. It's so cute. Polka dots, the Snoopies. They have the cinnamon mouthwash by Close Up this week. I really like the Reach mouthwashes that they have here. They have a 20-pack of Effordent if you have dentures. That's a nice price. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. I have to get these. The Pets 2 Band-Aids. You get 20 in a box. I need these in my life. I want them. I'm getting them. They are so, so cute. Look, you guys. These are new. Num Nums. These are blind bag Num Num lip glosses. These are so cute and brand new this week. I believe we get a lip gloss and a pencil topper, and this is series 3.1. Those are so cute. New washi? New washi tape. Look, you guys, new washi. The raindrops. I really like this one. Ooh, and the pineapples. Oh, the pineapples is so cute. Oh, look at this one. This is my first time seeing this. You're the worst. You're the worst. What? Oh, let's roll. Extra fries, not exercise. Grounded. Those are some cute stickers. Really, really cute. The fuzzy pens are back. Look, you guys, the fuzzy pens are back. And these are new. Note holders, flower suction cups, slide photos, notes, and more under petals. Suction cup sticks to smooth surfaces, and you get 3 in a pack. They have the large 8-ounce of glue, and I think some of these little zipper bags might be new. They're pretty thin though. I want to be a mermaid. Hashtag happy. It looks like they've added more of the Amopay products. These are the gel active invisible gel sensitive spots. Like if you have a little blister or maybe you're wearing a new pair of shoes. That's a really nice price for those. That's one of those things where if you don't get it now, you wish you would have gotten it because you probably won't see it again. What? Look, you guys. They have a lot of sports bras here. Shopkins. They have not only bras, but they also have panties here. No way. This is by the Handcraft brand, and these retail for $6.99. Can you guys believe that? It's been a long time since I've seen any sort of panties or anything here in Dollar Tree. How many of you remember back in the day when they used to have hanging panties? And they used to be some really nice ones, like from Target and Walmart. But look at this. What a cute little sports bra. This one was how much? This one was originally $6.99. What? I am so impressed. Wow. And what's this? Scoonsy? This is the Hollywood Roll hairband. And it comes with a headband. Okay, you guys, we are definitely seeing some name brand things here this week. Oh my gosh. Again, I can't get over the 2-pack of underwear and the really nice sports bra. How cute. These are so cute. I am seeing lots and lots of cute new things here. They even have the emoji socks. But I am really, really impressed with the panties and the sports bras. Wow, you guys. That's why we keep coming to Dollar Tree, because we never know what we're going to find. Also, the Scoonsy items. Oh, wow. I'm seeing even more Scoonsy. Ooh, I love this one. It's so pretty. Yes, you guys. And I'm seeing Goody. What? Sometimes you're seeing it and you're like, no way, I can't believe it's here. and the Hollywood roll. Yes, deals, you guys, nothing but deals. Ooh, they have some of the head wraps also by Squishies. Look at that. These are so pretty. I love the pearls. Look at that. Ooh, and these ones, this is like a silk. Wow. Yes, 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 you guys. I am very, very happy with Dollar Tree this week. This is the shower foam body wash. Those are definitely new this week. And then I think the hair mayonnaise is also brand new by Lusty. And it smells like cherry almond. Oh, and look at these. Loreal Colorista. Semi-permanent color, you guys. For how much? $1. And they even have the Colorista Fader, the fading shampoo. I am really, really impressed with Dollar Tree this week. I hope you guys find these items too, because some of these deals are just amazing. But all right, you guys, I have a pizza to pick up for my kids. I'm out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along. If you did, let me know you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.